nowhere. She is not going, oh wait. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. For today's video, I'm doing a first impression on a unit that was sent to me by Samsbeauty. But before we get into all the specs and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up to let me know you want to see more videos like this in the future. Now let's go ahead and get into this first impression. Now, as you guys saw, I did initially was styling the unit to wear down. However, in the midst of me just fix my lip gloss, I had turned the camera off and I did put it up in this little ponytail to see how it looked for pictures, and I actually liked it, so here we are. It wasn't anything crazy. I didn't even use a brush to do it. I just finger combed it up into a ponytail, put a rubber band on it, and call it a day. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Samsbeauty. It is from the Outre Perfect Hairline series. It is the unit Lana, and I got her in the color 1B. This unit does retail for $47.99, so still within that medium price point for synthetic wigs. This unit does come with a pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs, as well as a 13x6 lace parting area, so 13 inches from ear to ear and 6 inches deep in the middle. It also has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit also comes with the elastic band in the back for extra security and laying down their unit. This unit is big head associate, and I know some of you guys are new to my channel, so I'll explain that really quick. When I say big head friendly, I mean it fits all the way around on my head. So good on my front, good on my back, and good on both sides. When I say big head associate, that means it fits 2 out of those 3 positions, and when I say it's none of those, that means it fits 1 or less. So this unit is big head associate. It fits down perfectly on my front and my back, but it does not come all the way down on my sides. So I did go in and kind of bring my edges out a little bit on the side, but not too much. As you can see, even doing a updo like this, it still worked out perfectly. Now, I did initially have the unit all down because I was going to show you guys all down, but I know some of you guys like when I do like a half up, half down type of style, and I felt like I haven't done one before with a curly unit like this. I've done it with straight units maybe like 2 or 3 times already, so I wanted to try how it looked with the curly unit, especially because this is not a big head friendly unit, because it's only a big head associate, and because I did not use any gel or glue to put this unit down. Let me say it again for the people in the back. I did not use any glue or any gel to put this unit down. I did go in with some Got2b gel here on my edges, but that is it. I used the elastic band in the back, and it is holding this wig in place. Now, if you come over and try to snatch it, of course it's going to come up, okay? Because I don't use the combs, I'm trying to save my edges. But the way it's fitting on my head right now is snug. I know before anyone asks me, you do have the adjustable straps in the back. I know some people do like to use adjustable straps to tighten up their unit. The way they're positioned in the unit are still meant to tighten the unit. So when you do that, the tighter you put it, the more it's going to buckle in the back. So it may not fit as good as you want in the back or as flat. With the elastic band, it's already pre-cut. It's sewed down into the unit. So if it's going to fit, it's going to fit. As you guys can see, this is what the hairline looks like. I did go in and use some of the baby hairs that came with the unit to kind of make it a little bit more natural. I did go with some powder in the front here to kind of blend it down a little bit. I could have used a little bit more, to be honest, but how it looks right now, looks fine. You know, it's a little messy, obviously, because I put it up in a ponytail, but that is how it's looking in the back. Going with the flow, y'all. We are in there. We are in there. All I did was go with my paddle brush and brush this out a little bit to give it more of a natural look, because when it comes out the pack, it looks a little bit not stringy, but it doesn't look as full as I feel like it could. So I did go in and start to finger comb it at first, but then I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and brush it and see what happens, and I like this a lot better. This unit did not shed or tangle off the pack. However, there were some snags in the unit that came after I brushed the unit, which is expected. I expect it to happen, especially because of the texture of the unit. Now, this is a high text unit, meaning you can curl it up to 400 degrees. However, the texture of this unit would sway me away from actual putting heat on this unit because it gives off that more, it's not a yucky texture, it gives off that more synthetic feel, which I don't necessarily like for my wigs. I think that's kind of like old school, but that's the only con that I can say for this unit. Other than that, I'm ready to slay the day. You hear me? Like, this is a summer appropriate unit. The density is not too high, so it's not too thick. It's not too much weight around my neck. I think pulling it up into this little 90s ponytail is giving me a vibe and keeps the heat off my neck. I'm definitely in love with this unit because it is a definite plop and go. I know some of you guys are just like, wait a minute, it's a lace front. How can you say it's a plop and go? Because of the elastic band. That elastic band is the truth. This elastic band saves so much time and tools and energy, and we all know it's summer, it's hot. When you put that got to be gel on, if you start sweating, it's over. Your whole day is ruined. You're gonna have sweat and product running down your face. When you have a unit like this, that it is a lace front that has elastic band, this is golden. Like, y'all, I think that looks really good. I can't really see this side because I can't cut my eyes back like a fish, but yeah, I feel like this looks really good. Okay, the hairline is bomb. The pre-pluckedness is what I said. A lace front unit that's a plop and go unit out the pack, sweetie. I'm on par with this one. This unit is on par with me. We are one. Okay, we are one with the slayage. All right, and look, she ain't going nowhere. She is not going. Oh wait, nope, she ain't going nowhere. She is not going nowhere. I can move my forehead up and down, and look, I'm happy. I'm happy as a clam. I mean, are clams happy? I don't know, but I'm happy as whatever's happy, okay? This is one of those accidental slays, like when you didn't mean to do your makeup like this, or your hair, and it all comes together. Like, my hair look good, my shirt look good, my face look good, I look good. Hey, I look good. But that's all I got for you guys today. I will leave all the deets for this unit down below. Shout out to Samsbeauty again for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.